Hi guys, welcome to another episode of my stock investment video series. And in this particular video, I'll be showing you guys how you can start investing in Nigerian banks. That is how you can start buying the Nigerian bank stock in the stock market. So now before I continue, if you are watching for the very first time, I want you to hit that subscribe button and also turn on the post notification so that you don't get to miss any updates I'm dropping in my subsequent video. The banking sector is just one of those other sectors where you can invest your money in the Indian stock market. We also have in various sectors such as the food industry, the manufacturing sector, the oil and gas sector, the finance sector, and some other ones. But in this particular video, we are actually focusing on the banking sector, and I'll be showing you guys the 5 top banks where you can invest your money in the Nigerian bank. So I would like to use the acronym FUGAS. That is, F stand for First Bank, U stand for UBA, G stand for the GTB, A stand for Access Bank, Z stand for Zenith Bank. Like I said, the first bank the first bank I will be analyzing is the First Bank. The U stand for UBA, the G stand for GT Bank, the A stand for Access Bank, while the Z stand for Zenith Bank. So the first bank I will analyze is the FBN. If you look at the FBN chart, this First Bank, okay, if you look at it, according to Nairametrics, FBN Holdings reports half-year pre-tax, that is in Q2, they recorded up to 411.9 billion naira profit, and which is like the best ever according to Nairametrics. And also the leadership under the Otedola administration has actually been doing well. That is the Femi Otedola and as chairman, and Olusegun Alebi as the managing director have been doing well. And the key highlights between 2024 and 2023 was the net income, the net fee and commission, the operating profit, the pre-tax, and the loan and the advances to customer. FBN has been performing well, even though there is a drop early this year around March to like around 20 naira now. That's like over 50% decline. But nevertheless, so analysts still forecast FBN to actually rise to around, okay, that's around 27 naira this year. So which means First Bank holding is still a very good buy right now. And also if you check through the forecast, okay, the 4 analysts offering 1 year price, okay, these are the forecast prices. The first one is currently we are around 21 naira. So the current price is 20 naira. So now the first forecast is 21.7 naira. The second one is at 27.6, while the third one is 31.75 naira. And there's a probability we can still go back to like around 40 before this year runs out. So the second bank on the list is UBA. If you check the chart of UBA, we've already seen that we have so many buying opportunity at this point, which is like around 20.7 naira. The price also tested the support here around 20 naira, and it's still doing the same thing right now, which means there's a probability like this price is still going to go up there to like around 18. And according to the forecast analysis, we also have strong buy, and the 1 year price target is 34.7, which is like 71.76% from the current price, because right now we are currently around 20.2 naira. So the third bank on the list is GT Bank. Similarly as UBA and First Bank, GT Bank has actually been performing well. And if you check through the news, GT Bank, First Bank, and GT Bank, First Bank, and UBA have actually been doing well. Okay, so GT Bank, First Bank, and UBA has actually been doing well. And if you come to GT Bank, we can see, according to analysts, the rating was is also strong buy, which is like this is like a very good time to buy. And the forecast is around 57.7 naira, which is like 30% from now. If you check the main forecast, which is like, okay, we are trying to check the price point. Okay, we have a strong buy. So and the price point here, okay, it's not showing yet. But anyway, so we can all see here, like from the analysis here, we can see it's still a very strong stock to buy. The fourth one is Access Bank. Access Bank have actually been doing wonders recently, and the price hasn't really been declining much. But it's just like recently, the price has been consolidating around this 18.70 price. And also there's also the analyst forecast of Access Bank going from 18.7 naira to like around 21.5 naira before the ending of the year. So Access Bank is still a very good buyer now. And also, if we check through the technical analysis, we can see the ATH we have currently this year is 30.25 naira, which is around early this year. That's around February. That's around February, March this year. That's when we have 30.25 naira. And now we are back to like 18.7 naira, which means there is still probability of we going to like as far as 20 naira to 26 naira. Even if you are not getting to 30 naira, there is still possibility of we reaching 24 to 26 naira, which is like a very good buy once you can invest your money right now. And the last bank on the list is Zenith Bank. Yeah, if you look at Zenith Bank, even though Zenith Bank have started even though Sterling Bank has started bouncing back because it has moved from around 34 naira, which was around last month. It has moved from around 32 naira last month to around 36 naira, and with this movement there is still a probability of it reaching like around 40 naira. So if you can actually even buy now, you still have hope of you getting to 40 naira. You can still make some money right now. But if you are a long-term investor, there is no problem and there is no chaos if you can just buy around this price and wait before the ending of the year. If you also check the experts chart, the expert forecast, you can see okay, we can see the 1 year price started is still 52.9 naira, and we are just currently at 36 naira, and that's like 46.92% from the current price. So if you look at the forecast, okay, we are also getting a very strong buy here. Okay, let me remove the page. So we are also getting a very strong buy, and I'm trying to look. Okay, now the price target we're having right now is this for access. So okay, this for Zenith. Now the current price is 36 naira. Now we have high hopes of it getting to like 43.9 naira. Then the second target is 52 naira, and the long-term target is the 65.25 naira. So even if you can buy at 36 naira now, and once you get to around 40 or 43 naira, you can still sell and make your money on Zenith Bank. So that's that on the top Nigerian banks where you can invest your money right now. And also, I would like to point this out. It's actually easier for you to trade the Nigerian banks rather than investing. You can just go in by the time you want it, because we have a lot of traders coming in place. We have a lot of investors coming into market when it comes to Nigerian bank. So it's actually very easier for you to trade this kind of bank, unlike other sector where we have other sector like the manufacturing and the food industry or the oil and gas, where you can just go there as a long-term investor. But in Nigerian banking sector, you can just go into the market as a short-time investor, and you are surely going to make your money. So that's that on the Nigerian banking stocks you can buy. And if you have any question, please feel free to use the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. So take care and bye for now.